Before dawn, the experts of Expert Crane are arriving at Alro Steel to begin the installation of a new stacker crane. In just a few minutes, this video is going to show what is over a 500 man-hour process. Not only did the design and manufacture of this crane require the skills of Expert Crane, but the massive installation process also required an incredibly skilled crew. This unique stacker crane shows the abilities of Expert Crane to design, manufacture, and install as your single source for all of your crane needs. As we move inside, the crew assesses the job at hand and gathers to go over the OSHA safety procedures for this installation. The electricity is locked out, as required, and caution tape is put up to designate the installation work area. The bridge girders are brought inside and unloaded. The other parts arrive. The trolley with its temporary shipping stand, as well as the mast beams, are lifted off the truck. The bridge end trucks with the wheels, bumpers, and drive motors are unloaded. Once the cab and all the other parts are unloaded and ready, the bridge end trucks are lifted into place. Now, the massive bridge girders can be very carefully maneuvered into place. The highly skilled Expert Crane crew makes this incredibly difficult job look easy. With the bridge girders bolted into place, the trolley can begin to be installed. The temporary shipping stand is detached and removed, then the trolley is skillfully maneuvered into place. The mast beams are lifted and inserted into the base of the rotating trolley. Now that the mast is attached, the lower unit is installed. Then, the horizontal braces are bolted into place. The reflecting plate for the laser height detection system is installed. At this point, the crew is working on multiple things at the same time. The cab is bolted into place. The electrical connections are made. The bridge safety lights are installed, and the electronic panels are connected. The cables that lift the unit are installed and carefully adjusted. With the installation of cameras and the finishing touches, we now have a completed Expert Crane 3-ton capacity man-up stacker crane with part-picking capability. It has full redundancy on all motions, and if the gearbox fails, backup units are in place. Operator safety features include light curtains around openings, safety disconnects when operating cab door or picking swing arm, camera systems to see in front of the mast and behind the cab at the same time, and a self-propelling device that connects to the operator's safety harness for descent in case of emergency. It is designed to meet CMAA Class D duty cycle requirements, and the component life is designed to exceed 20,000 hours. Spare electrical components and crane control panels allow for easy switch out to minimize downtime. If needed, an ECI service tech can have the equipment back up and running shortly after arriving on site. This stacker crane has a radio control that allows it to be operated from within the cab or remotely. With their advanced safety features and ease of use, Expert Crane manufactures, installs, and maintains the finest cranes on the market.